Hello and welcome to my channel. My name is Samantha and this is a channel where you get tips and tricks on how to live a delightful life. I've been doing the Fit Money series for a while and this is just a continuation. Today is a video specifically requested by Diana and it's about how to hack your credit card. Now I am filming this video on the assumption that you already have a credit card or you're interested in credit card. If you do not believe in having a credit card, then this video is not for you. However, if you want to be a responsible adult, these tips might just help you. If you're new here, please subscribe. Please give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed, and if you're back again, thank you for coming back. So, disclaimer, I am not a financial advisor. I am not a financial planner. I am experienced as a bookkeeper, but that's business finance, that's not personal finance. However, all the hacks I've shared on these videos are things that I have personally done that have helped me get a hold of my financial life. Another disclaimer, a very important disclaimer, if you are not disciplined, then this is not for you. How you spend your money is very important. So I'm guessing by the time you have your credit card, you already know how to do your budget, you already know how to save, you're just looking for extra ways to be more responsible financially. And having a credit card is one such way. Now, what are the benefits of having a credit card? The key benefit is a credit card will help you with your credit score. And your credit score will help you with when you're applying for a loan, applying for finance, and applying for mortgage on your house. If you have a bad credit score, this doesn't mean you will not be able to get support from the bank in terms of loans and mortgage. However, it makes it a little bit more difficult for you to negotiate interest rates and that kind of thing. I had a very low credit score when I bought my car, and that meant the interest rate was very high. Of course, being a foreigner did not help. But that's another story. If you haven't watched how I paid off my car in less than 2 years, check out that video. It will be in the description below. So, what are those things that you can do to get better value from your card, to hack your card? Number one, understand that the credit limit on your card is not your money. The money on your credit card is not your money. It's not money you've earned, it's not money you've saved, it's not money you've been given by a relative, inherited, or won, or whatever. It's money that the bank has given you to use, but you are, at the end of the day, supposed to pay the bank back. So it's not your money. Always understand that this money is not my money. It's temporary money that I can use, but it's not my money. Number two, understand what your credit limit is. So for me, when the bank I applied for the card and then the bank offered to give me 20,000, I think, and I went back and I said I would rather have it lower than this. So my current credit limit is 14,000. That's what I can spend on whatever I want. But you know, if you look at my budget, I've got specific things I'm saving for. So if you know what your credit limit is, you will know what you can do with that money. So for me, there is no way in 1 month I will swipe 14,000 because of tip number 3. Pay back any money you spend before your billing date. So my billing date is on the 27th. Thankfully, I get paid on the 25th. If at any point in time I have used more than my credit limit for whatever reason, I pay that money back. I've used the bank's money, I pay it back before they bill me. This way, I only get to pay for bank charges and charges for, like when you withdraw money from your credit card, there's a higher charge. When you spend money internationally on your credit card, there's a higher charge, that type of thing. So those are the bank charges that you might incur, and that's all I pay for. Never miss a payment. Remember, we talked about your credit score. If you miss a payment, this will be flagged. Now you are showing the bank that you're not as responsible with finances as they would want you to be. And so this creates two things. One, they will charge you interest to pay them back. Two, a bad credit score. This will go against your credit score and you do not want that. So whatever your monthly money is that you're supposed to pay the bank back, pay it on time, always do not miss those payments. I know with my bank, they give me an allowance of 50 days. So it's almost 2 months to pay the money back. But I do not let them suck me in. Because what happens when you're left with those 10 days and you're like, or something comes up, you have to spend money? No. So importantly, never miss a payment. Do not miss a payment. Me a lot. And here's the thing you need to understand. Banks love giving people money. They do. Because when they get it back, they get more. And they're happy about that. So some benefits that the bank gives, like e-bucks. So for me, when I use my credit card, I get more e-bucks than when I use my regular, my gold check account. When I use that, I get less. So I use those e-bucks to get me airtime, fuel. It's not a lot, but it helps me. When I do my budget and when I get paid, I send money to my credit card account. So this is money that I have earned, that money I am going to use on the card. Thankfully, the bank doesn't stop you from doing that, which is amazing. For my account, everything is interlinked. So I can see my credit card, I can see my check account, I can see my savings, I can see my savings pocket, I can see my PayPal account. All my accounts are linked, so I can move monies in between those accounts. So the benefit of this is when I do my budget, when I finally allocate my money, I know, okay, I'm going to swipe my credit card for more e-bucks at Checkers, Engine, Clicks, Discam. Well, those are the main stores I use my money for. I don't swipe a lot. So check with your bank what other benefits you can get. I think after this video, I'm going to go back and review what are the benefits on my card. The key thing I got my credit card for was for travel insurance. I was traveling a bit and I just needed to feel a bit more secure, especially on my first international trip. I was like, if I lose my luggage, then what? If my phone gets stolen, then what? If I miss my flight, if my hotel is flooded, So I got a credit card. And one of the options was free travel insurance for a huge number of benefits. So they would give you like missed flight coverage, lost goods coverage, lost goods included cell phone and luggage, repatriation if you got sick or if you died in a foreign country. There were those kind of benefits. There was a cap to the amount to be spent, but it was free, and all I had to do was input my information. I had to use my credit card to purchase my ticket. That was the condition for me to get the travel insurance. And for me, that worked out fine. So what are the hacks that you know, and what are the benefits for your credit card? Let me know in the comments below. I believe those are my hacks. Understand that the money is not your money. Pay back any credit. Understand your credit limit. Understand the benefits of your card. What will it do for you? Why do you need it? Never miss a payment. And enjoy using your card. So those are my 5 hacks. They just turned out to be 5. Those are my 5 hacks on 5 ways to hack your credit card to get the most out of your credit card. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. And Diana, thank you so much for asking this tip. If you have any other questions, please drop them in the comments below and I'll answer you as best as I can with the experience that I have. Check out the rest of the Fit Money series videos, particularly how I paid off my car in less than 2 years. Whatever. Thank you. Bye.